think that UNI is helping me prepare for this degree by really going over things in depth. It's very connected, very personal, and there's a lot of hands-on experience, which I think really helps us once we're out in the actual field. So we also got to further our knowledge in the area of interest that we have by doing a lot of research papers. For example, mine was in anxiety disorders, so I got to focus a whole paper on panic attacks and panic disorders, which was one of my main areas of interest.
At Allen Hospital, the interns from the UNI counseling program, they take on a caseload just like any other counselor would. So the beauty of the counselors that come out of the program, they come out really well prepared, ready to take a caseload, and we just allow them to do so. I often joke that the counseling program is kind of like self-growth on steroids. You have no choice but to really just grow yourself as a person, as a clinician. You get the experience you need so that you can go out and start to be in those counseling roles.
Students who are considering the counseling program should come to UNI because it's a small cohort-based program, and it really focuses on building deep relationships with our cohort members so that we have those colleagues for the rest of our professional careers.